Logic ERP, the best software for garment manufacturing industry. In the glamorous world of fashion, operations and on-time delivery are key. Every top global brand that speaks in volume relies on advanced ERP software for streamlined manufacturing processes. Introducing Logic ERP, an all-in-one solution for garment manufacturing industry. From design to delivery, Logic ERP solution integrates every step of your process, ensuring you stay ahead of the curve and deliver excellence with every stitch, empowering your garment manufacturing journey towards excellence. Top features of Logic ERP software for garment manufacturing industry. Process management. Process rejection study. Mill assemble process flows. Standard instruction for processes. Quality control parameter setups. Batch lot bundle movement process flows. Inventory management. In and out stock with multiple conversion factor. In and out stock with UOM for single product. Stock verification model for timely audits. Vendor-wise purchase orders. Multiple stock categories with product matrix. Configurable bill-off. Material management. Define BOM per piece any batch. Define BOM lot size as per product. Efficient cost tracking and planning tool. BOM with estimated raw material cost and variance. Enhance business profitability with cost evaluation. Cost management. Reworking cost analysis. Process and process plus part-wise cost tracking. Piece rate employee, direct and indirect cost. Waste return consumption cost control. Cost per product category and cost per batch lot. Material planning. Planning based on base stocks. Integrated vendor communication portal. Vendor-wise raw material lead time management. Planning based on order booking of customers. Optimizing manufacturing capacity and material resources. Merchandise management. E-filing of documents. Product images and documentary storage. Tech pack and measurement charts. Purchase order budget closing stock limit control. Purchase orders linked with work job production order. Supply chain management. Customer order tracking. Production stage-wise. Customized orders handling. Warehouse space management. Price fluctuation study. Real-time data insights. SMS alerts and approval. Production strategy. Performance study. Business data insights. Competitive studies. Top apparel brands have scripted remarkable success with Logic ERP. Why choose Logic ERP software for the garment manufacturing industry? 30 plus years of ERP excellence. 10,000 plus seamless ERP implementations. 4,000 plus trusted clients. 200 plus experienced ERP experts. Ready to empower your garment manufacturing business with Logic ERP? Book your live ERP demo. Call us at +9 17341141176. Send your inquiries to sales@logicerp.com.